This is Miss Melton. You're going to be learning about using Canva.com. First, you're going to sign up with your Google account, which you should have already signed into Google Drive beforehand. In Rock Hill, we use at rhschools.org. Once we click on our account, a box will come up and you will click Student, and then another box will arrive that says Invite, and you're going to click Skip. You will have a search bar and you're going to type in photo collage. If you type in photo, it is one of the options that comes up. So I'm going to show you how to use photo collage today. You're going to start with a blank photo collage. There are templates available that you can pick from, but for your project, we're just going to use a blank background. Now, if you click on the blank screen, you will have this color wheel on the top corner. You will click a color. I'm going to use this light blue background. Now, if you look over on the left side, there are many options. Photos are photos that are in canva.com already. We're not going to use those. You're going to upload the photos that you chose that fit for your project. Elements, grids that you can use, shapes, frames, stickers. But we're not going to use those on this project. We're going to keep it nice and simple. Text you will use. You can have a heading. My heading is going to be, I'm going to do animals. So I'm going to put animals up here and I can move it with this for cursor. And it kind of, the pink lines that show up help show you where the center is. I can also rotate any text or photo I would like. Then we have an option of a subheading. I might put my name, and I can change type, size, color, make it bold. I can change the alignment, center, whatever I would like. If I want bullets. Now I'm going to add my photos. There's an option for videos, which we're not going to use for this, and backgrounds. You could change it to a different background. We're going to keep it nice and simple with just a solid color background. Now, to add your pictures, you're going to click Upload. And I've uploaded these photos, but I'm going to show you how. You click Upload an image or photo that you've saved. So I have these photos in my picture folder, and I clicked on the two that I wanted to add, and then I click Open. Now I have these. And to add a photo, I just click on the photo and drag it across to my collage. Now, if you notice when I dragged it like that, it will be a whole background. So I want to kind of move off of there. Now, there's not a lot of room for my other photos, so I want to resize this. To resize it the best way, you want to take the corners and resize down. You normally do not want to take a photo and make it bigger because then it'll look all different kinds of little shapes that you don't want to see. So I'm going to make this a little bit smaller. You're going to have 4 photos for your project. I'm just going to have 2 photos today. I'm going to drag the other one, and if I put this on top of there, it'll replace the image. Now I'm going to make this a little bit smaller. And then you can also, to make it more like a collage, you can turn them a little bit, make it more like a scrapbook. Now I'm going to want to add my captions. So I'm going to click this. Now this is a little tiny, so I can make it bigger by changing the size, and that will help. Now I'm going to move it underneath where I want it, and then I just highlight, double click, highlight the whole text, and start typing. Now you notice it did not fit the whole thing, the whole text, because my box is too small. So I'm going to make my box longer, and now I'm also going to choose a different, I want another So now I have, oh, I need to make it a little bit bigger for my period. Notice my captions are going to have capitals and periods, and I can resize these as I want. I can make them a little bit smaller or bigger like this, so you don't have to change the font size. If you notice as I do this, it makes the font size automatically bigger or smaller instead of highlighting. So that is an option. I can change the alignment if I wanted it a certain way, but I want mine with each picture so my reader understands what photo goes with what picture. So that is a little bit on how to use Canva. Now, the last thing you're going to do once you have your whole photo collage, you're going to click, there's a drop down, download. We're not going to do any of these. We're going to start with download. And there are different options. We're going to do a JPEG, which is this JPG. And then we're going to click download. Your downloaded picture will be on the bottom left hand of your screen. You can click it open, and now you have your photo collage. And you want to save as and save it to somewhere on your computer that you can upload it onto Canvas later. Hope you enjoyed.